my channel. My name is Moira and today, sobrang aga. It's 8:30 a.m. and nakaayos na ako because we are going to IKEA. Today is December 8, so holiday naman. Ako personally, feel ko kaya ko pa maghintay until next year for IKEA, but my parents, they were so excited, as in, lagi silang manonood ng mga IKEA walkthrough, so I guess we just scheduled and now here we are. But now I'm also excited and tumingin na ako sa website ng IKEA and meron din ako mga nagustuhan. Kasama ko rin ngayon si Juliana and nag-vlog din daw siya. This is what I'm wearing today. So, meron akong white long sleeves and then this black romper jumpsuit thing. Just rubber shoes and ayun. And then this necklace is the Friends one from Tala by Kyla, and also these earrings then are from Tala by Kyla. Galing to sa Olivia Rodrigo collection nila. And also, I did my nails. Yeah, these are fake nails. They were longer pero kinot ko sila. Kasi nainis ako na sobrang haba and I think they're so cute. Second time ko palang mag-fake nails. So, let's see if tatagal naman siya kahit nasa labas ako. Guys, we're here at the showroom. Off the bat, this is actually the pillow that I already planned to buy. 400 lang siya. Tapos dito makikita kung saan siya kukunin mamaya. So cute para sa sala. So got a bunch of decorations. Gusto ko to. Ang cute. 790 lang. Gaming setup. Cool nito. Ring light. Tapos may phone holder. Cute little chair. Lazy boy pambata. Here in IKEA to, pwede kang umupo sa kahit ano. So, kung mapagod ka, upo ka lang sa mga couch nila. Guys, this sofa is only 7,000. Maliit ba? This is the armchair that I want para sa sala. Kaso, baka di ako payagan kasi ratan siya. Sabihin nila hindi comfortable, but it's so cute. It's only 600, charot. 5,000. Purchase new clock para sa sala daw. It's 590. Okay, oh my god, tulungan niyo ako. Yan, buti na lang may map dito kasi medyo nakakalito. Here we have sofa galore. Ito yung nakita namin kanina sa showroom. 7,000. It's actually a good size for the sala. So, I'm sure kung bibili na namin other stuff muna. But at least we have this in mind. Maliit lang siya pero comfortable naman. This chair, guys, is only 5,000 pesos. Oh my god. Maliit lang siya. Though, where's the price? Sobrang sulit. So, there are some things na pwede mo nang kunin and nilagay dito sa bag. But other stuff you have to get sa next floors pa. This, guys, oh my gosh, I love that wallpaper. Sobrang ganda. And this is probably what my apartment would look like. Woo! Ah, this is so cute. So cute! Oh my gosh! I think this is the shoe cabinet na nakita ko online. It's only 1,990. Yeah, I think this is it. There's also a taller version pala nung gusto kong shoe cabinet. But I think this is too tall na for my kwarto. This is the one that I want. Ito yung mas mataas niya. Baka okay na to. Oh my god, guys. Nandito pala kami sa pangatlo, no? And it's already been... Siyempre di niya kita. It's already been 1.5 hours. Nandito pala kami sa pangatlo. Oh my god, ang dami pa. I'm gonna get this magazine file too for papers and stuff. 250 lang siya, dalawa na. And then dito siya. So, I'm gonna get one. Sa baba tayo kumuha. Yay! Okay, shopping together finally. Ano, masarap meatballs? Yeah. Tulog na. Sleep na. Hapon na eh. Tulog ka na. Kapagod guys. It's been 2 hours. Dito pa rin kami sa medyo una. Ito may binili mo. Cute. Ano name niya? Ha? Wolfie? Okay. Isa pong mocha frap. Ganda na kitchen mo ah. Para naging kidzuna na tong IKEA mo. Do. Uwi na oh. Sabay-sabay. Oh. It's such a cute kitchen. I like the gray cabinets. And itong handle. So cute. Ang ganda nitong mga kitchen na showrooms. Especially this one. So cute. Kitchen is so nice. I like this. So simple lang din. Tapos maliit. Pero ang cute niya. Ang cute ng mga showroom. Wow, look, Juliana, this is your bedroom. Bagay ka, pati suot mo. Ito ka, higa ka.
Ano ba yan?
Wow! Sarili ka nga na dyan ah. Another cute room, super cute. Nagbe-blend in na si Juliana. New room again. Huwag ka nang makiat. Sit down ka nga, sit down. Saan pa ba? Hindi! Siyempre sa chair. Wow! This, guys, is the dream bed. Oh my gosh, so cute! Isn't that so cute? Oh, laki ah. Laki ng drawer. This is nice. This is 30,000. This bed is only 8,000. Oh my gosh, ang cute niya. Minimalist. Mura lang. Time check. It has been 3 hours since nag-start kami dito. I think we're halfway. Oh my god, 3 hours. Ang tagal nun. Anyway, sobrang pagod na ako. Sakit na lang pa ako. And gutom na ako. Try the meatballs. Lasang burger. $4.40 na pala guys. Pagod na ako. Pero self-serving na lang naman to. Mati na lang. Full day pala talaga kapag IKEA. So pagkababa mo, for every product is under 100. Sobrang daming deals. And yung mom ko may kinuha na agad. Gusto ko nito. Oh my gosh. Wow, New York. Gotta get this for the next time. Ngayon na sa bahay. Finally, complete set, 500 pesos lang. Ito, so many plants. This is so fun. Draping plant. Fake naman to, no? Last stop before checkout, self-serve furniture area. Kukunin ko lang yung shoe cabinet ko. So may mga numbers dyan. And we're searching for rack 20, which I think is over there. Rack 20, section 2. Ito pala siya sa kabilang side, guys. Sa kabila is odd, and then dito is for even number ng racks. So this is 22. 20. Ayan, this one, sakto. Okay, kailangan ko lang kumuha. Ito pala. Ito ba? Shoe cabinet. 2 compartments. Bigat. Ikaw na. We are finally off to check out. Daming nakapila pero marami namang counters. So, okay din. Okay, so let's do a haul. Ay, before pala ng haul, so quick story time of how it went down. First tip is to schedule early, as in kung ano yung earliest time na pwede, which is 10 a.m. Dun kayo para the whole day you have the time. Kasi tinan nyo kami, 10:30 a.m. yung schedule namin, and then mga almost 7 p.m. na kami natapos. So talagang whole day adventure siya. Then second tip is pagdating nyo dun, kain na kayo agad. Kasi magugutom kayo sa showroom. As in, mapapagod din kayo. So, while it's still early, ilan na kayo sa pagkain para rin mas mabilis doon. And then, may energy na kayo to go to the showroom. And then, third tip, wear comfortable shoes. Rubber shoes lang, ganyan. And also bring a jacket or something kasi medyo malamig doon. Especially sa may restaurant area. And before you go there, try to search na on their website. Mag-browse na kayo para pagdating nyo doon, mas mabilis na lang. Kasi if doon pa lang kayo magde-decide, matatagalan talaga kayo. Kasi sobrang laki ng IKEA. So yeah, but anyway, so let's go do the haul. So this first bag is what I bought. Siyempre, onti lang siya compared sa binili ng parents ko. Pero still, so first, ano ba to? Hindi ko binili. Kumuha lang mom ko ng catalogs ng IKEA. And then actually, itong bag, kasama to sa haul kasi you have to buy this bag if wala kang dalang eco bag. So this is around 30 pesos. I'll try my best to remember kung magkano tong mga to or just look at the receipt. First thing that I bought and caught my eye is this. So, this is such a cute pillow. Oh my gosh, ang lambot din niya. This was 400 pesos. Tapos binili ko to para dito sa sala. So, yan. Diyan na siya. Actually, may nakita pa akong isa pang pillow sa website, mas mahaba, para din sana sa sala. Kaso, wala yung gusto kong print nung nandun kami. So, hindi ko na binili. And the next item I bought is this. This is a magazine file, and this is 250 pesos, 2 pieces na siya, and maganda din yung texture niya. Matagal ko nang gusto bumili ng magazine file, but when I searched on Shopee, it was like 600, 700 pesos per piece. Pero at least ito, pack na siya, 250 lang. Then, this is so cute! I got this fake plant. Ang cute, diba? Oh my gosh, ang cute! So yeah, sala din to. Para din sa shelf namin sa may TV doon. This was only 290 pesos. Oh my god, sasama si Tommy sa haul, sige. Okay, and then, so bought this tool kit. So ayan, may hammer na siya, may pliers. Hindi ko na alam kung ano tawag sa iba. Pero, binili ko to mainly for the hammers because I really need a new hammer. And the last thing that I bought was the shoe cabinet. So, pakita ko lang yung picture or yung video kanina. Yeah, it was only 2,000 pesos. And yun, kapag bumili kayo ng furniture sa IKEA na self-service area, you're gonna have to build it on your own. And the last time I built furniture, it didn't really go so well. Next items naman are the ones which my parents bought. They were supposed to buy a bed frame. Yun talaga yung main reason kung bakit nag-IKEA. Kaso nung nakapili na sila, biglang out of stock pala yung gusto nila. So parang, wag na, next time na lang. So first is this clock for our dining room, I think. So yeah, it's just black. Gusto ko pa rin yung mga ganitong clock versus digital clocks. I don't know, they're just very classic. And this was 690 pesos. Then next are these two water bottles. Ayan, they're water bottles. What else am I gonna say? We also have some storage boxes. And I think Moira lang to. They also sell extension cords actually. Ayan, mga 200, 300. Meron din silang mas malaki with USB and that was around 800 pesos. We have some pillowcases. Ayan, this one is in pink. This is for a throw pillow. And then itong tatlo is for yung, ano ba tawag doon? Actual pillow, yung pangtulog. Bumili din sila ng, I think this is just a napkin, tissue holder or something. Meron din maliit na can opener, ayan. Then we also have one big storage box. They also bought some bowls. 50 pesos lang itong malaki. Dami ring tableware sa IKEA, as in sobrang dami guys. Next, they bought this rug para sa labas ng bahay. Cute ng design and this was 690 pesos. We also bought some new placemats kasi sobrang tagal na ng placemats namin. Ayan, so ganyan lang siya. It's gray na plain. We bought 6 pieces for our dining table. Yeah, some bath towels. We have white, in green, and in blue. And then we also have some baskets here. Ano ba to? Parang ganito yung magiging itsura niya. Ayan. Parang pwede mo siya isabit sa wall para lalagyan nyo ng stuff or something. There's also another version of that. Ayan. Pag ganito naman siya. Same lang basket pero mas maliit. Next, we have this mini trash can. Maliit lang siya. Ang cute. This is 1,000 pesos. And so, ganito pala yung tsura ng trash can. Itatap mo lang itong taas since siguro mas maliit na trash can naman siya. Here, we have a cake stand. Ayan, cake stand. Usually kasi kapag may birthday dito, tapos may cake na lagay lang siya sa taas ng box. So, I guess ito para may formal na cake stand na talaga. We also have this cake slicer, I think, yung pangkuha ng cake. Ayan. And may utensils din in silver. Other kitchen stuff include ito, 3 times pruta. Maliliit lang siya na lalagyan. I think this is a perfect size for like sauces, ganon. And then meron ding isang microwavable na container. Ito, they also bought yung child safety hooks. Hindi siya hook. Basta yung nilalagay sa gilid ng mga tables, ganyan, para hindi nakakasugat. For our center table here sa sala, I might get this too, para dun sa drawer ko sa kwarto na nasugat na ako before. Because I'm a baby. And then this one, my mom bought for the office. Ano lang siya, pillow, na nilalagay sa likod ng office chair, ganon, para hindi sumakit yung likod mo.
Para sa lumbar.
Para sa lumbar daw. Then, we also have this, isang bedsheet and isang pillowcase for a queen size bed. And lastly, they bought 2 pillows. Itong pillow na to, nakabilog lang siya ngayon. Pero syempre kapag binuksan mo, magiging rectangle pillow na siya. Yeah, so I guess that is all of it. Overall, I had such a fun time sa IKEA. I guess that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit subscribe and also don't forget to click on the notification bell so you're updated whenever I post a new video. Comment down below what video you want to see next and I hope to see you next time. Bye!